Hey everyone, it's What's in the Box Wednesday, and this week I have something very exciting. So these little felt kits Michelle found at AQC when she was there, and they have finally arrived in store. So have a closer look. So I made up some samples. We're currently in the process of making some more, but look how cute they are. So in each box you get all the felt, all the threads, needle and the stuffing to make it. So all you need to provide is a little pair of scissors. So we've got some fun little themes going on. We've got some little embroidered heart, pincushion, a needle case, a sewing pouch. Then we have a little bit of Christmas and some odd little things. So a little toadstool, gingerbread man, he's really cute, a plum pudding. Then we have some really cute animals. You've got the Highland cow, a peacock, a dog, a squirrel, a llama, penguin, the hedgehog. I think the hedgehog's my favorite. Look at the hedgehog. And then the hummingbird. The hummingbird's beautiful. Janice is currently stitching that one up. Then on the bottom shelf here we have, look at this one. Mrs. Cat loves knitting. Look how cute that is. And then we have Professor Hare, the stargazer, and Mr. Cat Mechanic. So they're all the small ones, so they are all $22.50 each. And then we have a couple of larger packs. So this one you get 3 angels, and this one you get 5 birds, and they are $33.50 each. Really cool. They come out of the UK by a lady over there, and they're just lots and lots of fun. Perfect for this type of weather, and perfect for Mother's Day gift. That's coming up. So come on in, check it out. I've only got 3 or 4 of each at the moment just to start with, and then we'll see how it goes and get some more. So we'll see you next week. Bye everyone.